Ravenwing Darkshroud is a variant of the Dark Angel's own land speed of vengeance and is used only by the Dark Angel's second company, the Ravenwing, and the similar formations of their unforgiving successor chapters. The land speed of vengeance standard plasma storm battery has been replaced with an ancient relic, an icon of old Caliban, known as a Stone Guardian, or one of the 10 brothers of the Order that once stood within the fortress monastery of the Order of the Dark Angel's lost homeworld of Caliban. The Darkshroud then channels the arcane energies of the ancient relic and projects a field of impenetrable darkness known as the Shroud of Angels, swathing the Dark Angel's forces in a gloom that can swallow even the most potent incoming enemy range attacks and protect the unforgiven from harm. Those who have witnessed it at close range and felt its murky power and lived to tell of it are disturbed forevermore. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.